Good morning students, warm welcome to IT class. In last class we discussed about the modification of characters in writer window. Modification of characters in writer window, is it? Okay. The next, save the file. Save the file. When we completed type the poem, we have to store in a file. That process is called saving. When we completed type the poem, we have to store in a file. That process is called saving. Okay. In order to click file, save. Otherwise, you can select save tool from the toolbar. Okay. At first you decide where to save. And open that location and should we name the file, then press save button. Okay. Then folders and subfolders. Folders and subfolders. What is meant by folder? Do you know? Yeah, it is a box that is used to store the files. It is a box. Folder is a box that used to store the files. Subfolder is one folder exists in another folder is called subfolder. Okay. Then each and every work we do in a computer stored in a file. Is it? Each and every work we do in the computer is saved in a file or stored in a file. So, it is important to arrange and save these files properly. So, it can be done with the help of folder. Help of folder. Understand? Okay. Then, paragraph formatting. Paragraph formatting. In that section, we can study so many things. Adjust the line spacing, adjust the paragraph spacing, then give border of the paragraph, then give a background color for the paragraph, etc., etc. Okay. So, first thing is to adjust the line spacing, adjust the line spacing. Line spacing means space between two lines, space between two lines. Okay. First you open your file, open the file, then select the or drag the paragraph, then format paragraph, option select the options, format paragraph. That time display one new window. In that window you can select indent and spacing, then line spacing. Near the line spacing option, you can see one arrow mark. You press that arrow mark. That time displays so many numbers. Okay. In that numbers, you can select 1.5. That time you can adjust the line spacing 1.5. Okay. Then press OK button. Once again, first you select or drag the paragraph. Then select the options. Format paragraph. That time display one new window. In that window you can select indent and spacing, then line spacing. Near the line spacing option you can see one arrow mark. You can press that arrow mark. That time display so many numbers. Then you can choose 1.5. Otherwise you can choose double. Okay. Then press OK button. Then next thing is adjust the space between paragraphs. Adjust the space between paragraphs. Then there are so many steps. First thing, open the file, then drag or select 2 or more paragraphs, then format paragraph, select the options, format paragraph, indent spacing, then before and after. Then choose before and after. That means before paragraph and after paragraph. Okay. Then you can give the value of space. Then press OK button. That time you can see the space are adjusted as you like. Okay. Once again, open the file, then drag 2 or more paragraphs, then select the options, format paragraph. That time display one paragraph window. In that paragraph window, you can select indent spacing, then after and before. After and before mean by after the paragraph and before the paragraph. Then you can give the value of space. Okay, then press OK button. Then next thing, give the border of a paragraph. Give the border. So you drag or select the paragraph, then select paragraph option from format menu, then select borders. Select borders. When you select that borders option, display the border window. In that border window, you can choose the color of the border and style of the border also. Style of the border also. Then press OK button. That time you can see your paragraph is bordered. Okay. Once again, listen. Drag the paragraph, then select the option, format paragraph. Then you choose border option from that new window, border option. In that window helps to change the color of border and style of border, and you can press OK button. Okay. Then next thing is, give the background color for a paragraph. Give the background color. So you can follow these items. First step, drag the paragraph, then select the options paragraph from format menu, then select area. Select area option. When you select that area option, display the area window or background window. In that window, you can choose the color of background and press OK button. You can choose the color of background and press OK button. Listen, if you want to give background for a paragraph, at first you drag the paragraph. Drag the paragraph. Then select the options, paragraph from format menu, then select area option. When you select that area option, display the color palette. In that color palette, you can choose the color, which color you want as a background, you can select. Then you select that color and press OK button. Okay. Then please look here. It's a file, you can see here. Yeah. First we can adjust the line spacing, adjust the line spacing. So we can select first paragraph, select this paragraph, then format menu, paragraph option. Format menu, paragraph option. This is the paragraph window. Here we can choose indent spacing, indent spacing. Then line spacing, you can see line spacing. Press on this arrow mark, we can choose 1.5. Then press OK button. Okay, now adjust the line spacing as 1.5. Okay. Then next we can adjust the paragraph spacing. Drag these two paragraphs, then format, paragraph, then after and before, we can see after text spacing. Can set the value above and below, then OK. Okay. Now we adjust the space between two paragraphs. Okay. The next is give the border of a paragraph. Border. Select the paragraph, then format, paragraph. That and display one new window. In that window we can choose borders. Borders. Then here you choose full bordered square icon. Then choose the color, and we can change the style of the border also. Sorry, here style. Then OK. Okay. Give the border of that paragraph. The next, give the background color for a paragraph. Background color. Okay. Drag the paragraph. Then format, paragraph. Then area. Then color. You can select color. Then OK. Give the color for a background color for a paragraph. Okay. Then listen here. Next is insert one image to writer window. Insert one image to writer window. Okay. You can follow these steps. First, file, open. Select the options, file. Sorry, otherwise you can insert picture. You can choose image tool from the toolbar. Image tool from the toolbar. Otherwise, you can select image option from the insert menu. Image option from the insert menu. That time display the image window. In that image window, you can choose which image you want. Then press open button. That time insert that image to our writer window. Once again, please listen. First, open your writer window. Then choose image tool from the toolbar. Image tool from the toolbar. Otherwise, you can select image option from the insert menu. That time display the file list in that image window. Then you can choose image file which you want. Then press open button. That time insert that image to our writer window. Okay. The next Save again. What's mean save again? After modification, we can save again. It is very simple. Just press file save. That's enough. Okay. Then now you write now some short keys. You can write Control C, copy. Control C, copy. Then Control X, cut. Control S, S for sun, S. Control S, save. Then Control V, paste. Control V, paste. Then Control X, then Control U, undo. These are the there are so many short keys. Then commonly you can use these things. Okay. Okay. The next is input device and output devices and storage devices. Input device, output device and storage devices. What's mean input device? The devices which helps to pass the information to the computer. That devices are called input devices. The informations passed to the computer. The devices which helps to information passed to the computer. That devices are called input devices. Examples: keyboard, mouse, scanner, etc. Okay. Then output devices. What's mean output devices? The informations taken out from computer. Taken out from computer. Informations taken out from computer. Some devices are helps to informations taken out from the computer. That devices are known as output devices. Example: printer, speaker, monitor, etc. Okay. Then CD, pen drive, these are the storage devices. You know it, you studied it, you learned it. Okay. Okay. CD and pen drive, etc. are the storage devices. Then folders and subfolders, we studied it, is it? Now we studied it, folders and subfolders. Then you want to know how to create one folder, is it? So you can follow these steps. First step is place the mouse pointer in an empty place where you want to create folder. Place the mouse pointer in an empty place where you want to create folder. Then right click the mouse. Right click the mouse. That time display so many options. In that option you can select create folder or new folder. New folder. Again display one new box. That box you can give the name of the folder and press create button. Give the name of the folder and press create button. In the same way you can create subfolders also. Okay. The next is machine reading softwares. Machine reading softwares. G speaker is the example of machine reading software. G speaker. With the help of this software, we can read the text. Read the text in already typed text. We can read. Okay, with the help of this software. Okay. Then in order to click application, sound and video, G speaker. That is the way to open G speaker software. Applications, sound and video, then G speaker. Then after open this software, you can open another file and copy some text of some text in that file and paste to G speaker window and press play button. That time you can see machine read that text. Machine read that text. Okay. Then please look here. Okay, we can open G speaker software application, sound and video. Then G sound and video, G speaker here. Welcome to G speaker എന്നാണ് സിസ്റ്റം പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്നത്. Then just we can type here ICS secondary school, otherwise we can copy some text and paste to this window. Here we can type then we can press play. Now this read ICS secondary school. Okay, that's enough. Please write some questions in this portion, today's portion. Okay, first one, how can save one file? How can save one file? Second question, write the steps to insert one image to writer window. Write the steps to insert one image to the writer window. Third question, what is the use of G speaker software? What is the use of G speaker software? Fourth one, how can adjust line spacing with the help of LibreOffice Writer software? How can adjust line spacing with the help of LibreOffice Writer software? Okay. The next one, write the steps to give the border of a paragraph. Write the steps to give border of a paragraph. Okay, thank you.